Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Charge above 20% and unlock it. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Home Screen and lock screen or Apps and Notifications depending on color OS version. You want to find the entry labeled Global Search, Smart Assistant, or Search Service. If you don't see it, use Settings Search for Search, then tap the matching result. This gets you to the control panel where you can disable the service. Keep going to actually turn it off. Now you disable the feature. Open the Global Search or Smart Assistant settings page and look for a toggle like Search, Show on Home, or Smart Assistant. Flip that toggle off. If there is no toggle, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow see all apps, find the Search or Assistant app, then tap Disable or Force Stop and clear defaults. Once disabled, return to the home screen and swipe where Search used to appear to verify it's gone. If it persists, proceed to the final cleanup step. Finish by restarting your Oppo to ensure the change takes effect system-wide. If the global search reappears, go back to Apps, open the Search app, then clear cache and clear data. This removes saved defaults that may re-enable it. Make sure to test by swiping the home screen after reboot. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party launcher or companion app is restoring search. If safe mode removes it, uninstall recent apps until the issue stops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.